fries at Burger King.
Please stop.
Cheese pretzel on the
Ryan.
outside. Tender juicy white meat chicken
Ryan.
inside. New crispy pretzel chicken fries. Or try original chicken fries only at Burger King. New crispy chicken pretzel fries at Burger King. Crunchy pretzel on the outside. Tender juicy white meat chicken inside.
I love Kevin. Kevin, these for me, it's like so satisfying.
New new crispy chicken pretzel fries at Burger King. Crunchy pretzel on the outside, tender juicy white meat chicken inside. New crispy pretzel chicken fries or try original chicken fries only at Burger King.
More, Kevin, more.
New crispy chicken pretzel fries at Burger King. Crunchy pretzel on the outside, tender juicy white meat chicken inside.
I hate you too.
New crispy pretzel chicken fries or try original chicken fries only at Burger King. New crispy chicken pretzel fries at Burger King.
Hey Ryan.
Crunchy pretzel on the outside, tender juicy white meat chicken inside. New crispy pretzel chicken fries or try original chicken fries only at Burger King. New crispy chicken pretzel fries at Burger King. Crunchy pretzel on the outside, tender juicy white meat chicken inside. New crispy pretzel chicken fries or try original chicken fries only at Burger King.
Truthfully, I wish this was
New crispy chicken pretzel fries at Burger King. Crunchy pretzel on the outside, tender juicy white meat chicken inside. New crispy pretzel chicken fries or try original chicken fries only at
Do you
Burger
want to play
King.
CSGO and with people?
I'm playing Red Dead. I just downloaded it.
Hey Aiden, you want to go on CSGO and mess with people? Oh, fuck you.
I'm sorry. Why don't you just buy it?
Buy Red Dead?
Yeah.
Cut.
New crispy chicken pretzel fries at crunchy pretzel on the outside,
Can you shut
tender
up?
juicy white meat chicken inside. New crispy pretzel chicken fries or try original chicken fries only at Burger King.
Kevin, I already did the done, so.
Did the done?
Teal already did the done.
Teal's not lying, dude.
Jesus Christ, I just got murdered by two reeds.
Ryan.
John, these two guys,
Ryan.
these guys got serpentine.
Ryan.
Yo,
Guess
guess what? Guess what?
New crispy chicken pretzel fries at Burger King. Crunchy pretzel on the outside, tender juicy white meat chicken inside. New crispy pretzel chicken fries or try original chicken fries only at Burger King.
Hey, no, dinner.
What?
I gotta go to dinner.
Really?
Are you not going out with us?
No, I can't.
Am I coming?
He's going out with Grace.
New crispy chicken pretzel fries at Burger King.
I'll kill you.
Crunchy pretzel on the outside, tender juicy white meat chicken inside.
What's up?
Is Teal going?
New crispy pretzel chicken fries or try original chicken fries only at Burger King.
I don't think so.
Why not Teal?
I don't think they want me.
Anybody wanna?
New crispy chicken pretzel fries at Burger King. Crunchy pretzel on the outside, tender juicy white meat chicken inside. New crispy pretzel chicken fries or try original chicken fries only at Burger King.
Kevin, can you stop? Can you stop? Whoever's making the echo, I'll stab you.
New crispy chicken pretzel fries at Burger King. Crunchy pretzel on the outside, tender juicy meat on the chicken fries inside. New crispy chicken pretzel fries only at Burger
And
King.
it's Kevin. For everything.
Okay, no more.
No.
I just muted it.
Everyone just muted.
I think
I
I
missed
missed
him.
a while ago.
I miss when freaking Aiden got really bad.
Me?
Yeah, I miss those days.
Aiden, this game's terrible.
Yeah.
New crispy chicken pretzel fries at Burger King. Crunchy pretzel on the outside, tender juicy white meat chicken inside. New crispy pretzel chicken fries or try original chicken fries only at Burger King.
Kevin is still going.
No. How do I hear Kevin? I muted him. I muted him.
It's Ryan. It's Ryan. That's why.
crunchy pretzel on the outside, tender juicy meat on a chicken fry.
All right, I gotta add another
New
person to the
crispy
mute
chicken
list.
fries, only at Burger King.